Oh. Hello friends, I'm up here, well, it's not a trail I've taken you on before, but it's pretty close to the same area where I go on a lot. I just had the most awesome frickin' hill climb, and I did not have my camera on. I thought I did, but I did not. So we missed that, and I'm a little bit afraid to do it again. It's been a bit of a struggle on this ride so far, but it's turned out alright. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be crawling with four-wheelers in a few days because the opening rifle season for elk. But until then, I pretty much got the woods to myself, I'm sure. So if you're enjoying my videos, like and subscribe. Keeps my motivation up so I can keep making more, and maybe someday I can just do this full time and bring you even more content. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Nice. Not my first wheelie. They scare me a little. You know what? What am I doing? I don't really have a plan. Like, I've been here so many times in my videos. Woo! Oh, homeless camp. Think someone's in there? Doesn't look like it. Hunting season starts in a few days. Might be someone trying to claim a spot. Whoa, this is actually not enjoyable. Too many big bumps in here. Ooh, that was a little rough on the forks. Oh my god, you guys, it's a beautiful day. It's October. Hunting season starts in 5 days, I think. So I'm trying to get out there before there's a ton of people out. Might still run into a few drop camps people set up. Like, I think that might have been what that was. You may recall me wrecking right here earlier in the spring. That was fun. I was stuck in some old wood. So I have a little inkling of a plan. There's an old road I used to ride on my four-wheeler when I was a kid. I went up it last year a little ways. Kind of fizzled out. Or no, maybe there was trees in the way. I was not very, I was not super confident on my bike at that point, so I decided to turn around, but it's not too bad, at least for T-dubs. Yeah, looks like lots of people have been in here. Oh. Just happened. Fuck. Well, it looks like my chain got thrown off by a rock or something, so I'm gonna have to pull out my pliers and get her back on. Alright, thanks. Alright, well, it took me 20 minutes. This was jammed up pretty bad, but it's back on. I got it back on. I check the tension when I get home. Seems a little loose. Guess that should be a lesson about not just having your stock fucking toolkit with you. That would have been a lot easier if I even had a Leatherman. So anyways, the plastics, they aren't on, and my toolkit's not on. There's a, I think there's a rig coming up behind me. I don't know where they're going. I don't know where I'm going. Ugh. I cannot tell where they're going. Alright. I don't think they're coming up here. I'm gonna go up to this flat put my shit back on. Hopefully I don't get hit. Here we go. Alright, you guys. I'll see ya when I'm ready to go. Alright, you guys. That little mishap got me thinking I really should bring better tools. I've got this front rack and I've been thinking about putting like some sort of toolkit on it. So if any of you have any recommendations on that, I would love to see them. So why don't you leave a link in the comments and let me know what your favorite little tool thing is, and if it'll fit on my front rack, even better. So this is a rough ass road. It's been a long time since I've been up here, so I'm not sure I'm on the right way, but you know, all I have to do is go down around here and you'll get to town. Oh, this is quite the ride. Alright. Oh my god, I just can't ride today. Yeah, so I think what happened there was I was going up that rocky section and a rock came up and hit it, knocked it right off. I couldn't find any other damage, but yeah, I just like could not go any further, and I was lucky I didn't try anymore because it would have eaten up my chain. This is a great grouse road. Oh, nice big. Nice big switchback there. Trying to avoid ruts. I've still got the Deathwing on and it does not like ruts. Looking at my chain, I think it really needs some TLC. I've got all the stuff I need to clean it and grease it. I oiled my Trail 90s chain a couple years ago, and I followed the instructions in the user's manual, and it was crazy. You take some motor oil, you take the chain off, put it in a pot, put motor oil and petroleum jelly in there, and then you would heat it up on low for like an hour or more. I don't know, I don't remember how long. And then you'd let it dry, and then you had a nice oiled chain, which still looks really good to this day. So I guess they were on to something back in the 70s. just got on a different road. I had to go through some Kelly humps and it looks like it was closed at some point. I thought I had my camera running during all that, but I did not. So anyways, seems I've been missing all the cool stuff today. It's been a while since I've been on this road. It might be blocked off by landowners. If that's the case, I could just turn around and come back, but if not, well, we'll see. All right, let's get back on the trail.